how to enable live chat in Shopify. So first, go to Shopify store, and then you can just click on apps here at the left side, and then look for app and sales channel settings. Click on that, and then click on Shopify App Store. Now here, just search for Shopify Inbox. Okay, click on this. Now click on install here. Now let's wait for it to load. Okay, once you've clicked install, now you have your Shopify inbox here. So here you just need to click on turn on chat here. Now here, you just need to click on save here at the top right. Or if you want to customize it for a bit before you save it, you can do that. So make sure to toggle this on as well. Make sure that it is not toggled off. All right. So just click on save here after all of that. Okay. Now you have a chat here, as you can see. All right. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.